Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. In our last class, we discussed about the smaller number and the bigger numbers. We discussed how to identify the smallest number and how to identify the greatest number or the bigger number. And in today's session, we'll discuss exercise 4. In this exercise, we'll learn about how to write the numbers in increasing order and in decreasing order. Okay, children, we'll learn how to write or arrange the numbers in increasing order and to arrange in decreasing order. So in exercise 4, the first bit is write the numbers in increasing order. Bit A, write the numbers in increasing order. So how do we write the numbers in increasing order, children? To arrange the numbers in increasing order, first of all we have to identify the smallest number. Increasing order means writing the numbers in increasing order means arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger. Writing the number from smaller number to the bigger number. So in these, first we'll write the smallest number. In question 1, 3 numbers are given: 72, 76, 71. So first we have to write the smallest number among these 3. So out of these 3, what is the smallest number, children? Here 72, 76, 71. What is the smaller number? Here 71 is smaller than 72 and 76. So first we'll write 71 here in the box. Next number is, now here only 2 numbers are there, that is 72 and 76. Next smallest number is 72. So write 72 in the box. Now the last number is 76. Write 76 here. Now see, children, see the numbers, they are in increasing order from smaller to bigger. 71, 72, 76. So this arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger numbers is called as increasing order. We can call this as ascending order. You can call this arranging the numbers in from smaller to bigger as increasing order or ascending order. Okay, now we'll see the second question. Here in second question, the 3 numbers are 196, 169 and 96. 3 numbers are there. Out of these 3 numbers, here 96 is the 2-digit number. See, children, only 2 digits are there, ones, tens. Whereas the first number and second number are 3-digit numbers. Okay, children. Now, here the smallest number is the 2-digit number, that is 96. So we'll write 96 first. Next, the remaining 2 numbers are 196, 169. So which one is smaller here? 96 or 69? The answer is 169. Next smallest number is 169. Now the last number is 196. So we'll write 196 here in the box. Now the answer is 96, 169, 196. This is the increasing order. Third question. Now here in third question, the 3 numbers are 128, 31 and 100. Here also the first number and the last number both are 3-digit numbers, whereas the middle one is 2-digit number, 31. It's a 2-digit number. So here this 2-digit number 31 is smaller than 100 and 128. So we'll write 31 first. The remaining two numbers are 100, 128. Now which one is smaller, children? Here 100 or 128? It's 100 is smaller than 128. So we'll write 100 in the box next to 31. Now the last number is 128. So write 128 in the box. Now the answer of third question is 31, 100, 128. Okay. Now next fourth one. Here the three numbers in the fourth question are 145, 175, 165. Okay. So all the three numbers are 3-digit number. Now here see. Which is smaller number here, children? What is the smallest number here? It's 145. The first number is smaller than the remaining two numbers. So we'll write 145 in the box. Now next two numbers in the question are 175, 165. So out of these two, which is smaller number, children? What is the smallest number here? It's 165. So write 165 in the box. Next, the last number of this question is 175. So write 175 in the box. Now the answer of fourth question is 145, 165, 175. See the numbers. The numbers are written from smaller to bigger. Here 45, 65, 75. So we have arranged the number from smaller to bigger. So this type of arrangement is called as increasing order. Now the fifth question. Here the numbers in the fifth question are 102, 105, 100. Now which is smaller number here, children? What is the smaller number here? It's 100. So write 100 in the box. Next smaller number is 102. So write 102 in the box. And the last number is 105. So the answer is 100, 102 and 105. Next, the last question of the first bit is 186, 168, 108. Okay, 186, 168, 108. How it is arranged? See the question, children. 186, 168, 108. Here the numbers are arranged in decreasing order. That is, see here, the first one is the biggest number, next second one, next, and the third one is the smallest number. So here in our answer we have to write from smaller to bigger numbers. So we'll write 108 is the smallest number of the remaining two. Smallest among these three. Now the next number is 168 and the last number is 186. So write 186 in the box, children. Now the answer of sixth question is 108, 168 and 186. Okay. Now all these numbers are arranged in increasing order, that is from smaller to bigger. Now we'll discuss the second bit. Bit B. Write the numbers in decreasing order. Now opposite to increasing, you should write the decreasing order. That is, in increasing order we arrange the number from smaller to bigger. Whereas in decreasing order, we have to arrange the number from bigger to smaller. Big to small. Okay. Now we'll see the question, children. Here the first question is 18, 74, 80. See here, 18, 74, 80. The numbers are arranged in increasing order from smaller to big. Small to big. Now reverse of it we have to write. That is from big to small. The greatest number among these three is 80. So write 80 in the box. Next number is 74. So write 74, and the last smallest number among these three numbers is 18. So write 18 in the box. The answer of first question is 80, 74, 18. Now these numbers are arranged from big to small. So we call this method as decreasing order, or we can call it as descending order. Okay children, did you get my point? Now second question. The numbers in the second question are 134, 131 and 138. So now you have to pick the greatest number. Here 138 is the greatest number among these three numbers. So write 138 in the box. After 138, the remaining two numbers are 134, 131. So next biggest number is 134. So write 134 in the box, children. Now the last number is 131. So write 131 in the box. The answer of second question is 138, 134 and 131. Next, the third question, children. In third question, the three numbers are 135, 200, 154. 135, 200 and 154. So here the greatest number among these three numbers is 200. So write 200 in the box, children. Next, two numbers are there here, that is 135 and 154. Now guess the answer, children. Come on, guess which number is the biggest number here. It's 154. So write 154 in the box. Now the last number is 135. So the answer of the third question is 200, 154 and 135. Okay children. Now we'll move on to the fourth question. Here the numbers in the fourth question are 179, 197, 117. All these three numbers are three-digit numbers. So here, see what is the greatest number here, children? 179 or 197 or 117. The greatest number among these three numbers is 197. So write 197 in the box, children. Now next two numbers in this question are 179 and 117. So the next biggest number is 179. And at last the last number is 117. So the answer of this question is 197, 179 and 117. Okay children. Now We'll move on to the fifth question. Here the numbers in the fifth question are 102, 120, 101. And all these three numbers are 3-digit numbers. Okay, now we'll see what is the greatest number among these three. The greatest number is 120. So write 120 in the box, children. Now next two numbers are 102 and 101. Among these two, which is the greatest number, children, here? It's 102. So write 102 in the box. And next the last number is 101. So the answer of the fifth question is 120, 102 and 101. Okay, children. Now we'll discuss the last question of this bit. Here the numbers in the sixth question are 199, 119, 109. Okay. Now see the numbers how they are arranged in decreasing order, that is from big to small. So first here the biggest number is 199. Now next the biggest number is 119. And the last number is 109. Here the question itself is arranged in decreasing order, that is from greater number to the smaller number, bigger to smaller. So the question itself is the answer of this bit. Okay, children. Now with this we have completed exercise 4. Now we'll discuss about our numbers, children. We'll discuss even numbers and odd numbers. What are even numbers and odd numbers? Here the numbers from 0 to infinite that are called as whole numbers, and the numbers from 1 to infinite are called as natural numbers. And even numbers means the numbers which are divisible by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on are the even numbers. And the definition of odd numbers is the numbers which are not divisible by 2. Which are divisible by 2 are even numbers, and which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Here the examples of odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. So which are divisible by 2 are even numbers, which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Here match the objects. See, one of the object is here. You have to match the similar object in the next column. 2 columns the objects are arranged. You should match them. Here the first picture is glasses. Where is glasses in the second row? It's here C. So we'll match it, we'll join both and we'll make a pair. Okay. Now the second picture is, it's a slipper. Now find where the slipper is there. Here it's A. Next, shoe. Sorry, it's bat. Third one is bat, and where is bat in here? It's D. And last one is shoe, and it's B. We'll match it. Here the objects you have matched are of same kind. They form pairs. Here only one object is there. We have matched with the same object and we formed a pair. Pair means here 2. Okay, children. Now we'll discuss the next page. Page number 19. Now here the leaves are given. What you have to do is circle if all the leaves are in pairs. Just now we discussed the pairs. Pair means it's objects of two. The same kind of objects of two is called as pair. Here only the first one is only one leaf is there. Do it have any pair? It's only single. So it is not a pair. If we see the second one, see here, it's two similar are there. So we call it as a pair. Now circle it. Now if we see the third one, see only one pair is there, but second one there is no pair for the second leaf here. So it's not a pair. If we see the fourth one, see this is the first pair and this one is the second pair. Both are pairs only. So 4 is a pair. Fifth one, here the first one is pair, second one is pair, whereas the third one only single leaf is there. So it is not a pair. Sixth one. In sixth one, see all how many pairs are there, children, here? 1, 2, 3. 3 pairs are there. So sixth one is a pair. Next, seventh one, see here first is pair, second is pair, third is pair, but the last leaf it is not a pair, it's a single leaf. So 7 is not a pair. The leaves which are there in 7 are not pairs. Eighth one, see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs of leaves are there in number 8. So 8 is a pair. If we see the ninth one, see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs of leaves are there and at last only one single leaf is there. So 9 is not a pair. See the last one, children, 10. Here how many leaves are there here? 10 leaves are there and 5 pairs are there. 10 leaves are arranged in 5 pairs. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all pairs are there in 10. That's why 10 is a pair. Okay, children. Now what are the numbers having pairs of leaves here? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So these numbers are having the pairs, and these numbers we call it as even numbers. What we call, children? Even numbers. And the numbers which are not having the pair of leaves are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are called as odd numbers. What are odd numbers, children, here? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These numbers are called as odd numbers. Now we'll write the numbers which are pairs in this box. The first number is 2, already written in the box. Next is here 2. Next is 4. So write 4 in the box. The next number which had pair of leaves is 6. Next number is 8. We are writing the circled numbers here in the box. And the next number is 10. So which numbers do we have? Which number have the pair of leaves, children, here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These numbers are even numbers. Now next, all the leaves are not in pairs in which number the leaves are not paired? That is number 1. 1 is already written here in the box. Next is number 3. So we'll write number 3 in the box. Next number is number 5. Write 5 in the box. Next 7. Write 7 in the box. And next number is 9. Here the numbers which are not having the pair of leaves are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These numbers are called as, what do we call, children? We call them as odd numbers. What do we call? Odd numbers. Okay. Here the number which has paired numbers or paired leaves are called as even numbers, and the numbers which are not paired here are called as odd numbers. Okay, children? Okay. The problem based on these even numbers and odd numbers we'll discuss in our next class. In today's class, we have learned about how to arrange the numbers in increasing order and in decreasing order. That is, small to big is the increasing order, and arranging the numbers in big to small is called as decreasing order. And also we learned about the even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, children? And that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss the next exercise. And today your homework is learn and write exercise 4 in your textbook and notebook. Learn and write exercise 4 in your textbook and notebook. 2 bits are there. Bit A, write the numbers in increasing order, and bit B, write the numbers in decreasing order. Write these 2 bits in your textbook and notebook and learn them. Okay, children? Okay. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next session. Bye.